Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to enable or disable auto slow shutter on the SONY ZV-1 II. So first, what you guys need to do is open up the menu by clicking this button or simply clicking here. Now, here we need to scroll a bit down until we see the exposure/color. Now go over exposure, click on the screen or simply click OK here, and now click on the auto slow shutter. Here you can disable it by clicking on it or simply by sliding your finger and then accepting it with a button. This is how you can do that. So that'd be it. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure to leave a like, subscribe, and see you next time. Bye.